Welcome to the T-Tari Galaxy online workshop. In this workshop, we'll explore editing using iMovie. First, let's create a folder on our desktop and add the appropriate files inside, such as our pictures, our movies, and our sound. Once we have our folder on our desktop with all of our appropriate files located inside, then let's navigate over to Applications on our left and down to iMovie. Let's double-click the icon and let's create a new project. We'll name this new project Workshop 1 and we'll save it to our desktop so that we can find it later. Once iMovie is open, you'll see our viewer, our browser, our timeline. This area here allows for different editing techniques. So now let's import our pictures. Let's go to File, Import, navigate to the folder on our desktop, and by holding down the Shift key, we'll be able to select more than one picture at a time. Let's only grab the pictures for right now. Note there is a skip in between our picture files. We can now hold down the Apple key or the Command key to select other pictures in that folder out of sequence. And now let's click Open. iMovie will import all of our pictures into the browser. Note the red lines up under each one of the pictures, and it pops. This is just letting you know that iMovie is processing and rendering each of the pictures that has been imported. Once a picture has been imported, we can then drag that picture down to our timeline by clicking off in a gray and now selecting our picture and simply dragging it down to our timeline. We can click play and see if there are any effects on it. Note there is a Ken Burns effect. This effect pushes or pulls a picture either inward or outward. If we don't like this effect, we can simply right-click our picture and go to Edit Photo Settings. Click on Show Photo Settings and simply click Off on the Ken Burns effect. Our picture is now 5 seconds. Let's make our picture 3 seconds by double-clicking inside of the 5 and hitting 3. And now let's select Update. Note our number changes here. It's 229, giving us about 30.30 seconds. Let's do the same. Simply drag them to our timeline, or we can grab multiple by holding down the Command key or the Apple key. Note how I can move my picture to whatever spot I want to by simply hovering it over each of my pictures in my timeline. There. Let's play it. The Ken Burns effect again. So now let's go to right-click, Edit Photo Settings, Show Photo Settings, and turn the Ken Burns effect off. Let's click Update. And do the same for each of our pictures that has a play button located at the top of them. Update. Note now each of our pictures are roughly 3 seconds. Let's click back and play. That first picture is a little long, so let's cut it down some. We click back, right-click the picture, edit photo settings, show photo settings, and let's click 3 here, and update. Seems like it didn't take that time. Let's try that again, and let's use a colon instead. Wonderful. So let's put a little bit of music to our pictures. Note here on the left, we have 2 different ways of viewing the timeline. One in each individual picture, as we see here, and also, this is for our audio that goes along with our pictures, and this is another audio track. Let's navigate back to our folder, find our audio, let's play it, and here's another quick trick that's really great with iMovie. Instead of going to File and Import in iMovie, we can simply drag our audio from our folder to our timeline. Watch. And there it is. Let's play that selection. It doesn't seem like our audio is long enough for our pictures. Let's simply select it, copy it, and paste it after the first selection of audio. So we'll select it. Note how I click on the gray and then back on the audio. On the gray and selecting the audio. Copy. Drag our playhead to where we want to paste it, and now we'll simply paste by using Apple V. V as in Victor. Drag here to the end and paste. Drag here to the end and paste. Now let's listen to our selection. This has been a short tutorial on using iMovie.